Ay, magandang gabi mga kaponga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Footlocker Avenue Space 2. Kaya yung mga available na sapatos.
Ponga!
Say hi,
Oh, on
say hi,
fire.
say hi.
Hi, hello. Now we have 25% discount. This is limited offer now.
Until when?
This is, until 1st of September. Don't
September
waste.
1.
Only few days remaining now.
Can you give a sample of the price one?
Yeah,
Like
this
for
is the
example?
price now. You can check this one before 72 KD. Now only 54 KD. Don't miss the chance, guys.
Okay.
Only few days remaining now.
So may ano po tayo, Aura price. Hanggang September 1, 25%. Ayan po. Punta lang po kayo dito sa Footlocker Avenue Space 2. Ayan po yung mga available na sapatos. Ayan po ang Aura prices. 67, ngayon 45 na lang po. Thank you.